When I'm working with double crochets or treble crochets, I like to make a stacked single crochet or a stacked double. And basically what you do is in the first chain, you're going to create a single crochet. Then you're going to stick your hook through that first loop of the single crochet you had just made and then create a single crochet. So we'll do that again. So we're going to create our single crochet in the first loop. And then you see how there's like two where I go through that last one of the two of the finished crochet. It's really simple once you do it, and I will leave it up for you.